In this video, we will learn how to write it in your computer or laptop. So press Shift and number 2 key so you can write it. Same, you want to write hash, so Shift and 3. So this is the first way to write it in your keyboard. Shift and number 2, and in the sum keyboard you are not able to write it, so press Shift and before enter key. In some keyboard you will write this symbol, and in some keyboard you can write Shift and number 2. Also you can check the settings for selecting the perfect keyboard. So time and language and typing, and here in the related settings, language and region, select your language options, and here select this keyboard English QWERTY. So if you select here by adding and select that one, so you can write it using the Shift and add key. Another way, open any browser and just write it symbol and copy and paste anywhere in your document, MS Word, Note, or anywhere you can write it in Gmail. So this is a short video guys to know how to write it in your keyboard. Thanks for watching.